Lexi, can you do ballet? Come on, let me see some more ballet. Can you do more ballet for Grandma? What are you doing? Uh-oh. You pick it up, Drew? Yeah. Good job. Drew, how old are you? That many? Lexi, say hi, Grandma. No? Never works.
Oh, no, this is for Mama. Can you give it to Daddy? Can you give it to Daddy, please?
What is it? Penny? Thank you.
Let's go look in the room. Hi. You want to go see Big Nani? Where's Big Nani? Whoa, careful. Who's that boy? You want to see Big Nani? Okay, go. Say hi to Big Nani. No, you show me where's Big Nani. Can you show Mama? No, look, Lexi knows. There she goes. There she is. There's Big Nani. Go say hi. Come on, let's go say hi.